Traxxas, and today we are going to show you guys how to reverse your steering. Have you ever had the problem where your steering's backwards and you're just getting frustrated with it? So I'm going to show you how to fix it on Traxxas remotes. Coming up. Okay, so if you guys have ever had this problem, it usually happens when you replace a steering servo or do upgrades or something like that, or replace a broken part, which usually steering servos, something like that. So first you turn the truck on, and then after that you turn the controller on to the truck's receiver, and then after that, as you can see, that is reversed. So I am going to unreverse it. So turn both on, like I showed you. Press and hold menu until it flashes green. Tap menu 1 time. Tap set 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Turn off your controller and turn it back on. And the steering is back to normal. Okay, so now I will do the TQ. Okay, so now for the TQI, guys, it only has 1 button. So first, turn the remote itself and the vehicle ESC on. Press and hold set until blank screen. While turning the wheel all the way one direction, does not matter what direction, guys, tap set and then let go, and your steering will be reversed. All fixed. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, as well as share this video, and don't forget to subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing at all. Until next time, get out and play. Bye-bye. See you guys later.